can't believe the legends that the Great Eight told us were true.
A microwave that turns things into chocolate.
What a perfect creation. Anyway, time to give this thing a whirl.
Hey! The microwave won't work unless you pass our evil tests. You got to guess who's the nice twin and the evil twin.
Okay, so what's your favorite color?
Black. Yellow.
What's your favorite drink?
The tears of my enemies. Lemonade.
Girls, I think we all know what the obvious solution is. Better safe than sorry, am I right?
Of course.
Obviously. So, who's ready to use the microwave?